The creator of SuperTeacherWorksheets.com, Tim Weeble, has struck again with IKnowIt.com. IKnowIt is an interactive math practice site for elementary students in grades K through 5. The site is in public beta right now, so that means it is free to use. However, it is a given that at this stage of development, there may be bugs and incomplete pages. Pros. Reputation. One of the things I like about this site is that it has reputable roots. Tim has been powering Super Teacher Worksheets for years. As a teacher, this gives me peace of mind. I know that he will be sticking with this project based on his work on current projects. There is nothing worse than committing to a site or product only for it to go out of business. Right, Google? Design and layout. The site is clean, uncluttered, and has a modern design. It is free of ads and pop-ups. This is a plus, especially for younger students. Cost. The site is currently free. Tim, the owner of the site, expressed to me via email that his goal is to have the site free for at least 1 year. As far as future costs are concerned, Tim has assured me that it will be affordable. That means less than a glass of gourmet coffee, but more beneficial for you and your students. According to Tim, and I quote, "Right now it is free while the site is in development. We haven't determined the cost yet, but we will do our best to keep it affordable for teachers and schools." Our Super Teachers site is $19.95 per year for a teacher subscription. Our modern chartboard site is $30 per year. So I really do mean it when I say we'll keep it affordable. End quote. Alignment. The lessons align with the Common Core math standards. Since the majority of students are on this curriculum, this may be of benefit to many classrooms around the country. Also, this makes IKnowIt another tool that teachers may add to their virtual pockets for students on their way to standards mastery and success. Question complexity. The questions presented here are really good. They are rigorous and relevant to the Common Core standards expectations. This is an area in which IKnowIt distinguishes itself from the competition. There is a good infusion of story problems to help them truly identify the mastery level of students. Question hint. Students may use question hints as a launching pad into questions. Explanations. If a student is marked incorrect on a question, IKnowIt provides a brief explanation. It would be a nice addition in the future to have video lessons embedded in the software or even voice over for lessons and explanations. This would be particularly helpful for students who are struggling in math and reading. Cons. I cannot find any cons to the site at the moment, especially since they are just taking it on a year-long test drive. Things they have in the immediate works. Tim and his team are hard at work. They are currently working on a user management system that will allow teachers to easily manage a classroom of students. An analytics dashboard is also in the works. About the team. IKnowIt is located in Tonawanda, New York. This is a small city between Buffalo and the Niagara Falls. IKnowIt is from the same DNA as SuperTeacherWorksheets.com and ModernChartboard.com. In the words of IKnowIt, and I quote, "This online resource can be used during class or at home for independent practice, remediation, assessment, or homework. The site enables teachers and parents to differentiate assignments for students, allowing them to work at their own level and pace towards mastery of concepts and skills aligned with Common Core. The verdict: I know it has the potential to be a super site for elementary teachers and students. The level of rigor that the site provides makes it a perfect tool for the modern standards-driven classroom. In a few years, based on the goals of Tim and his team, I can see this site giving iReady and MobiMax a serious challenge for the hearts and minds of elementary teachers and students everywhere. If they add detailed and compliant assessment data, teachers could use this tool to assign diagnostic assessments and establish learning paths for students to ensure desired outcomes for students in the elementary classroom. Give I Know It a spin today.